This is usually not even a creek. There's usually no water in it. There's our house right there with the white steps coming down. Nobody out golfing today. What's up with that? That is running completely full. You can't even see the outlet. Looks like we're up into the yard. Getting close to the green. This little pond back here is full of little bass. And I think this green's a little flooded. A little bit of rain here in Kansas. We've got 5 more days of this coming. I don't know what we're going to do with all the water. I wish I had a big bucket. There are a bunch of little blue tubs, blue 55-gallon drums in my basement that I could fill up and have free water for a few months. A little bit of a view back in there. There's another pond at the end of our cul-de-sac that's coming out of. The water's been up here. Whoa, getting a little video.
I don't want to have to pick you up.
Yeah, these shoes are really slick when I get on slick concrete. That didn't look slick to me though.
What?
That didn't look slick to me though.
No, it doesn't. That is not her dumpster. I'm thinking it's hers on the other side there.
Yeah, it was laying out here in the road. Somebody put it up there.
Well, I'm sure she didn't, but maybe I'll drag it over there. I'm sure it's hers. It was the only one left out.
It's never a good sign when you have this going on with your sewer bubbling up. Luckily we have check valves that won't allow it to backflow. It's strange that it's that high. and this is not. So that tells me that that's just air coming up, and the water's probably coming off our yard, and our sump pump is right up there. The output is up there in the yard, so it's just trying to get down in that hole.